Hi, thanks for contacting me. Today I'm going to show you the steps I outlined to you in written form. But since you don't have access to SJSU or San Jose Public Library, we can still find credible and reliable sources instead of just doing a typical web search. So beginning here on the Google homepage, we can go ahead and enter Google Scholar and then hit search. Then after the results come, we can click on Google Scholar. Okay, once on the Google Scholar page, we can go ahead and enter print and electronic and books, which these words separated by Boolean operators, and go ahead and hit this magnifying glass highlighted in blue. Now, once we have results, we have ones like, say, electronic or print books, but they may not be relevant because of, say, the date. That's not very current. So to help with that, we can go over here to the left side of the page and say click on since 2019. We can scroll down and look for results. Let's see, let's go to the next page. Okay, ebooks versus print books, digital disruption or intermediate relations around 2020, so more fairly recent. Let's try that, for example. All right, looking at the abstract, so you want to see who has a preference. Let's see. This concept is supported by empirical sourced from reading attitudes and book market studies, which indicate sustainable preferences for the print book format. So this could be relevant to your topic, but it should be more than enough to help you get started. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask me. Thanks.